Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about header tags, why it is important, and what are header tags' SEO best practices. Header tags are HTML tags used to define headings on a web page. They are used to create a hierarchy of headings, with H1 being the most important heading and H6 being the least important. Header tags are important for both SEO and readability. SEO. Header tags help search engines understand the content of a web page. The H1 tag is the most important header tag for SEO, as it is used to identify the page's main topic. The H2 tag breaks down the main topic into smaller sections, and the H3 tag further breaks down those sections. Using header tags correctly can help search engines index your page more accurately and improve your chances of ranking for relevant keywords. Readability. Header tags also make web pages more readable for users. They help users scan a page and quickly find the information they seek. Header tags can also create a logical hierarchy for a page content, making it easier for users to understand. Following are some best practices for using header tags. Use one H1 tag per page. The H1 tag is the most important header tag, so you should only use one per page. The H1 tag should be used to identify the page's main topic. Use H2 tags for the next level of headings. H2 tags should be used to break down the page's main topic into smaller, more manageable sections. Continue using H3, H4, H5, and H6 tags as needed. Use these tags to break down your content into smaller sections further. Include keywords in your header tags. This will help search engines understand your page and improve your chances of ranking for those keywords in search results. When you are adding keywords to your header tags, try to keep in mind the following. Use keywords in the first few words of your header tags. This will give Google a better understanding of what your page is about. Vary your keywords throughout your header tags. This will help Google understand that your page is about more than one topic. Keep your header tags brief and to the point. Your header tags should be clear and concise and accurately reflect the content of the associated section. Use consistent formatting for your header tags. This will help make your page more visually appealing and user-friendly. Avoid using too many header tags. Too many header tags can make your page look cluttered and difficult to read. Use header tags to create a logical hierarchy for your content. This will make your page easier for people and search engines to read and understand. By following these best practices, you can improve the SEO and readability of your website pages. To learn more about content optimization and SEO, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos about SEO best practices. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.